What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you quick tips and advice for converting multiple different types of images. For example, if you have a JPEG and you wanted to convert them into a different format, such as PNG or BMP or PSD or RAW. So these tips that I'm going to give you is so powerful that this software was able to convert almost any format on the images. So this is the software that I'm always using whenever I'm changing the file format when I use them for uploading or doing something in my work. So okay, let's head over to the website. So first thing is to go on the website. So this by the way, the software that I'm using is called Xnconvert. So you can go to the website and you can see this this type of name, Xnconvert. So this is the one that I'm using for converting many different types of images files. They also mention here they have JPEG, TIFF, PNG, GIF. So there's a lot more. So the best thing for this software is that you can convert multiple or a batch file and then convert them one time. So this software is also available for Windows, Mac, and also they have Linux. So I'm using Mac, so that's why I just went to the Apple Store and I just downloaded this one on the Apple Store. So if you are using a Mac, you can just head over to that search just type in the name of the Xnconvert and this one will show up on your screen. So that's if you are using Mac. But for Windows and Linux, you can just simply type into your Google search bar, and then I think this one will come up. Alright, so let's open the software now. So I have it downloaded already. So let's see how it looks like. So it's very simple. This is the software. Once you downloaded it and installed them, just follow the procedures on how to install them. It's very simple. So this one will come out when you open the software. So I think you don't need to do anything on this unless you wanted to see different types of view for the software. But mainly you don't need to change anything. Just simply choose this one or this one. So I think it depending on your liking. So you can either drop the images here on this blank space, or get a folder here. So just by clicking this one, it will show you and go to that folder wherever your file is located. So that's how it works. So I think you don't need to do anything here. Action, whenever you have whenever you are doing some conversion, it will automatically show you the action, what happened here. It will tell you if it's successful or what. If there's an error, it will show you on this side. Or this is also another way you can use the software by doing something another like such as editing, or you wanted to do something different on your photo. You can also do that one from this point. So there are some choices here. Let's say you wanted to, let's say, add action. You can see here, I can add mask, automatic crop, and there are so many things. You can also put a watermark. So there are many things you can do on your photo. I think to make like for example, if you're a photographer and you wanted to put watermark on your photo, then this is very helpful for you, because you can just make one type of setting, and then it will, once the output conversion is done, you will have that watermark on your photo. So that's also helpful. There are other few things here that I think you might be able to use, but I never use them. So anyway, you can head over to this one if you wanted to explore more of the usage of this software. Okay, so the next thing is the output. So output is very important, because this is where you have to set what type of format of the images you wanted to be. So in here, there are a few more things that you can set. Like for example, where will be the output folder, where it's gonna be located. So you can just press this one and choose that one. Next thing is, there are some drop down list here to choose what file name it will be after the conversion is done. So that one, and then here also there are some few more sitting here. So depending on your liking, you can set them. But one thing that I wanted to show is most important is, like for example, here, this is where you're gonna change the uh, setting depending on what format you wanted your images to be convert. For example, uh, I'm now using PNG. So if I have a JPEG, or for example, I have a raw file, I can convert them one time with this type of format, PNG. So in this setting also, it will give you some other few more setting that also some in some way I think it's also helpful. For example, I'm now using PNG, and they have here another setting that will tell you compression level. You can choose whether 1, or this is 1 to 9. So depending on your liking how the compression will be, you can choose this one. Like for example, if you want to choose compression level 9, then this will change only the capacity. So level 9, it goes to much smaller file size. But if you choose, like for example, compression level just 1, the difference is not much. So here you can choose that one. So now this is where you need to choose which format are you going to convert. So here, let's say you have a JPEG and you wanted to convert as a different file. Here you can choose many different types of files. So this is a very powerful software, because almost everything is already here. You can really convert anything you want. So they have also like TIF, TIFF, or they have PSD. Also, they can also convert to PDF, JPEG, also BMP, and also PNG, of course. And then there's a lot more, GIF. So those types of conversion also, they have raw here. So this is also another important file format. So this is really a very powerful type of converting software, because almost everything you can convert already. So once you already make your setting, just head over to the input. Let's say you will drop your images here. Like for example, let's say I will convert this one. So you will see them in thumbnail here. Depending on your liking, you can choose bigger or smaller like that, or list. So then if you got it there, then all you have to do is just press the converts, and that's it. It will start converting uh, your file. So okay, so that's it. Just press the convert and it will start to convert. So again, it's looking for the place where I want to. So okay, just press convert and it will start to convert. So you can convert as many as you can, depending on your liking. So I think that's all. Thank you very much for watching. This is my quick tips for you. All right, have a good day.